If you're researching THEO before committing, this is the video for you. We're going to walk through the actual tokenomics, not a summary, not a pitch. The supply, the emission model, how the fee system works, and what staking rewards are actually backed by. By the end of this, you'll have enough to make your own assessment. Let's start with the basics. THEO has a total supply of 7 billion tokens. That number is fixed at Genesis and enforced by on-chain logic. It does not change. At launch, approximately 9.23% of that total supply enters circulation, roughly 645 million tokens. That's what's available in the market at the listing event. The remaining supply follows a structured vesting and release schedule, managed through smart contracts. Nothing is released arbitrarily. Every vesting trigger corresponds to predefined operational or performance criteria. So why 9.23%? This is a deliberate design decision. The allocation at launch covers 3 specific purposes: validator seeding to bootstrap the network, ecosystem activation programs, and the presale allocation. What it is not? A team dump. Team, advisor, and early partner allocations are subject to multi-year vesting cliffs tied to delivery milestones. That means the people building Autheo cannot exit early. Their tokens are aligned with long-term execution, not the listing date. Autheo has a finite emission budget of 2.1 billion THEO. That's 30% of the total supply, released gradually over approximately 9 years. During the early phase, these emissions support validators, developers, and infrastructure operators. They're the bootstrap mechanism. They exist to get the network running and incentivize early participation. Over time, as the network grows and generates its own revenue, this emission phase transitions. Activity-generated fees from compute, storage, data transactions, and AI services progressively replace emissions as the main reward driver. This is the architecture, not infinite printing, a defined emission budget that phases out as the network becomes self-sustaining. The team tracks this transition through an internal metric called the deflation sustainability ratio. It compares total fee-based offsets to remaining emissions. When that ratio reaches parity, the network is generating enough fee revenue to replace emissions entirely. That is the target state, not a target date, a target condition. It's reached when the network is used enough. Every transaction on the Autheo network, compute tasks, data storage, AI operations, cross-chain activity, generates a fee denominated in THEO. These fees do not disappear. They are redistributed through 3 pools, each with a specific function. The first is the infrastructure pool. This reinforces validator and compute layer stability. As emissions taper over time, this pool is what sustains validator rewards, funded by network usage, not by printing new tokens. The second is the growth and innovation pool. Powered in part through the Autheo Foundation, this pool funds developer grants, ecosystem integrations, and research collaborations. If you're a builder on Autheo, this is the pool your grant draws from. The third is the community pool. This supports ecosystem initiatives, community programs, and participation incentives. These 3 pools together form a circular system. Value generated by network usage flows back into the system, funding the activities that expand it. As the network scales, fee volume increases. As fee volume increases, the pools strengthen. This is why staking rewards are backed by real activity, not by new token issuance. The infrastructure pool is funded by fees. Fees come from usage. Usage is the foundation. Validators secure the Autheo network by staking THEO. Their rewards depend on uptime, performance, and reliability. This isn't a passive yield mechanism. It's compensation for doing verifiable work. Delegators can also participate. By staking through validators, delegators share in network rewards and contribute to consensus integrity. The staking model aligns long-term participation with network security. For developers, staking works differently. The Autheo model is stake to build. Developers stake THEO to access SDKs, APIs, and orchestration tools within the compute and data layers. Higher staking thresholds unlock higher access tiers, improved marketplace visibility, and eligibility for grants. This ensures that the resources and tools of the ecosystem go to builders with long-term commitment, not speculators looking for a shortcut. Autheo's governance model incorporates community participation while maintaining coordinated execution. Community members contribute ideas, feedback, and proposed initiatives through official channels, Discord, and community platforms. These contributions surface priorities and inform development direction. The core development team reviews and prioritizes based on technical feasibility and alignment with the project's objectives. Protocol development and ecosystem governance operate independently from token administration. That separation is intentional and structural. If you're evaluating THEO, here are the facts that matter. Supply, 7 billion, fixed. Circulating at launch, approximately 9.23%. Emission budget, 2.1 billion over 9 years, structured to phase out as fee revenue grows. Staking rewards, funded by the infrastructure pool, which is funded by network fees, not by printing. The source of rewards is network activity. The network's fee system is designed to become self-sustaining. The more the network is used, the more the fee pools grow. The more the pools grow, the more the network can sustain validators, developers, and community programs without relying on emissions. THEO is a utility token. It is used to pay for compute tasks, data storage, transaction validation, and developer access. Every function in the network that consumes resources incurs a fee in THEO. That is the foundation of demand. The complete tokenomics documentation is at docs.autheo.com. Full vesting schedules, pool allocations, and emission curves, all there. That's the tokenomics.